Good morning, children. I'm here to take class 9th English Prose Beehive. Lesson 1, The Fun They Had. Written by Isaac Asimov. The main characters are Margie and Tommy. Margie is an 11-year-old girl who represents the future students in the 22nd century. She is a typical young girl who dislikes school, which is highly personalized and includes a television and a mechanical teacher. Margie also is a curious girl. When she finds a real book in Tommy's hands, she is eager to know about its contents. She reads the book and finds surprised that the book describes a school of the past years. She learned that those times the students studied together. She concludes that the old system was much better as the students had so much fun when they studied together and could help each other. It is through Margie that the author has projected a contrast between the school of today and the school of the future. Other character is Tommy. Tommy, a young boy of 13 years, plays an important role in the story, as he is the one who finds a book about the schools from past years. Tommy is very curious boy. As soon as he discovered a real book, he starts reading it. However, he does not like the idea of printed book, which according to him are a waste once they have been read. Tommy has been used by the author to contrast the school education of the 20th century with that of the 22nd. The Fun They Had is a short story, that falls in the category of science fiction and has the future year 2157 as its background setting. It takes us into a world where computers will play a major role in the educating children. Schools that use paper, books, and that encourage mutual interaction between teachers and students will cease to exist. The summary of the story. On May 17, 2157, Tommy, a young boy of 13, happens to find a book in the attic of his house, which he shows to Margie, a girl of 11. The book is centuries old and its pages are yellow and wrinkled. Both Tommy and Margie are amazed to see that the words in the book are fixed on the pages and do not move as they do on a screen they are accustomed to. They have been born and brought up in an era of advanced computers and TV with a mechanical teacher giving lessons at home. But Margie remembers that once her grandfather had told her about how stories were printed in the times of her grandfather. Tommy considers books are waste because, unlike computers, they cannot have new words after one has finished reading them. Margie is disappointed when Tommy tells her that the books is about a school because she dislikes schools. Her concept of a school is a TV screen with a machines giving lessons in various subjects. The TV has a special slot where the students have to submit their homework, which is checked and marked by the machine in no time. Margie's dislike for school has been intensified these days because the mechanical teacher has not been functioning properly. Margie's mother calls the county inspector to home to examine the cause behind the error. The inspector found out the Margie was not at fault for her poor performance. He said that the geography sector had been fixed at a speed that it was too fast for the little girl. Then inspector set the speed to Margie's level, but she is unhappy to have the teacher put in order because she had hoped that it would been taken away for some time and she would be relieved by the trouble of taking so many tests. Tommy informs Margie that the books is not about their kind of a school which has a TV with mechanical teachers, but it is on the other hand about the old kind of schools which used to work hundreds of years ago. He tells her that the old schools were special buildings where lessons were taught by men and not by machines. The students of one level were taught together by the same teacher in the same room. Tommy and Margie discuss how the students of old time adjusted their level with the same teacher and how every teacher is attuned to the requirement of individual student. They haven't read half of the book. Margie's mother reminds her that it is time for school. As the mechanical teacher is teaching the addition of proper fraction, Margie is lost in her thought about the working of the school in old times. She believes that the kids must have enjoyed going together to school. They must have had fun going to the same school, studying the same things and being able to help one another. This is the summary of the lesson. Now, after the lesson, there are question answers. You can solve it and write in your copy. Your home assignments. Question number 1. Suppose you are Margie. Write a diary entry dated 17th May 2157 about Tommy's real book that he found in the attic. Question number 2. Why did Margie hate school? Why did she think the old kind of school must have been fun?